Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be testing Salon Perfect press-on nails. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you. As you guys can see, I got these nails for $1.50. I found them in the clearance aisle at Walmart, so I decided why not try them and see how good Salon Perfect press-on nails are. If you are a longtime subscriber of mine, you know I have tested multiple different brands press-on nails. So if you have any press-on nails you would like me to test, comment them down below. So like most press-on nail sets, this set does come with a double-sided file and nail glue. And there are 3 different styles of press-on nails that you can choose from. And as you guys can see, the extra nails do come in this little bag. I really like that. I think I've talked about this in the Ardell nail video. They are similar to this. They come in a little bag, and I think that's really awesome because you don't lose any nails. Now I'm just going to be opening up the bag, and I'm going to be starting to match the nails to my real nails and figure out the sizing and what pattern I want, because there are 3 different nail designs. Like most press-on nails, each individual nail is numbered, so once you find the size that works perfect for your nail, then you can just look for the other nail with the same number. Okay guys, I have picked out all of my nails. I decided to not use any of the silver and just keep it the nude and the gold nails. But I definitely will be putting these silver nails up for maybe using them with another set of nails. And as you guys can see, my cat wants to join in and help me with my nails. Now I am going to be using the double-sided file. This file has a rougher side and then more of a smoother side, and I am going to be using the smoother side and just filing over my whole nail. This is going to give the glue something to stick to so the nails will last much longer. As you guys can see, I'm very lightly going over my nail. I'm not going to file too much because I do not want to damage my real nail. Now I am going to be using the rougher side of that double-sided file, and I'm just going to be filing down my nails. I am going to file them in a more round shape so that none of my real nail shows underneath the fake nail. And now I'm just going to be repeating those same steps on my other hand. Okay, now I'm ready to start gluing down the nails. Okay, I'm going to be lightly covering the glue over my whole nail, and be careful not to use too much glue. And then I'm going to be taking that fake nail and placing it on my real nail and holding down for 5 to 10 seconds. This is going to give the glue a chance to harden and keep the nail. And now I'm just going to be repeating those same gluing steps to all of my nails. And I do want to add that these nails are thicker than most press-on nails, I would say. They do feel really durable, and this glue feels like it really holds down the nails really well. So far, I really do like these nails. They do not bend at all. They're very durable. Some nails I've tested do bend and break pretty easily, but I don't think that's going to be a problem with these nails. I really do like this glue. I can already tell that these nails are not going to be falling off anytime soon. The glue holds the nails very well, and I love it. Now before I glue on my thumbnail, I am going to start gluing on my nails on my other hand. This is going to help me be able to pick the nail up easier and hold the nail down easier without having my thumbnail on. And I'm just going to be repeating those same gluing steps. Okay, now that I have all my other nails on, I am going to start by gluing on my thumbnails, and I am going to be gluing on my right thumbnail first. Okay guys, I do want to add that this nail glue, I could probably use it one more time for another set of nails, and I really like this, so I probably will. This is a really good glue. I'm really impressed by it, and I think that it's one of the best press-on nail glues I've tried. And I could continue using this file if I wanted to. I really like this nail set a lot, and let's see how long these nails last. Okay guys, here's what my nails look like. I really like them, and I'm really happy with how they turned out. I think this is one of the best nail sets I've tried. I definitely will keep you guys updated in the comments down below on how long the nails last and just wear and tear on the nails. So if you have any other questions about these nails, definitely comment down below and I will answer your questions. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.